Hello friends, this is Mohammad Shamshad Ahmed. I'm working as a document controller on Center 3 Mursalat project. Through this session, I want to introduce Aconex to you. You will have to get registered on Aconex. Once you are registered, you can enter to Aconex application. It's a web-based application. You can access it anywhere on your mobile, on your laptop, anywhere you can use it, and you just have to enter into Aconex by using your registered email and your password. Once you enter, the first thing which you will see there are multiple tabs on the top, like tasks, models, documents, mail, field, packages, etc. Once you log in, it will open with the task tab. On task, actually this is like a dashboard, so whatever is going on here, you can see a summary of that. You can access here multiple projects also. If you are registered to all of them, you can access them from here. You can check the status of the documents. The most important tab which we will most frequently be using is documents. So once you come here on the documents tab, double click the documents tab, or you just click document register, you will find the same screen which you are seeing now in front of you. Here there are search and search filters. With the help of those, you can search your required document, and then under it you will find all the documents and their related information. These are columns which are given there. These are called metadata. These are used while uploading. So in the search, if you write any document number on the top, you will be able to access it. You will be able to see its status, its number, its title. You can get the same information. So to get more specific information, we can use those filters. And here in the filters, the first is type. You can use the type of the document, if it is a letter, or it is method statement, or minutes of the meeting, mock-up, material submittal, work inspection, whatever type of the document you are looking for, you can just select from here. Suppose I take material approval request from here, and then I'm going to insert here discipline. Again, from the drop down list, I can select anyone. I just chose mechanical, and because I'm looking for the document related to firefighting, material approval for firefighting. So firefighting is subdiscipline. So all those documents, all those material approval requests which were related to firefighting will be shown here in the list. Now if I search, it shows me now that there are 22 material approval requests for firefighting which have been processed so far. So it is also showing here their titles, their discipline, their revisions, and their review status. So if D or C, whatever is the review status, it is showing, and it shows their revision date or review source. This review source is very crucial. Later on we will know that how we can use it also. So you can add and remove columns also. If you want additional information, you can add in the selected column, and it will be adjusted in the table. Now if you want to download a document from these all, you just have to press on the icon and it will start downloading. So you can find it in your downloads folder. If you want to download multiple files, then you will have to select all, and then all the 22 have been selected now, and then you can download them all together in one zip file by pressing on tools and zip download. From here, once you press it, it will start downloading all these submittals together in one zip folder, and then you can unzip and see them. So you can get those all downloaded. Now if you want to search with the numbers, suppose you have only one number with you, you can easily search it. But if there are multiple numbers, two or more than that. If you have, then you will have to use wildcard between them. So suppose here we have two numbers and we want to search them, which or we want to see them or download them. Well, you just have to put the number in the search and it will show you its status. But if there are multiple numbers, you cannot search multiple numbers together. So if we take both numbers here and just insert them there on the search bar and then just search, it will not show because it's confused that what number we are looking for, because there are two. It is understanding that it is complete one number. So we'll have to use a wildcard here. The wildcard which we are using here is OR. So with OR, it will show both numbers. This or this means both, it is showing. So both documents are now visible here. It searched them and now we can see their status, we can know about them, we can download them, whatever we want to. This OR is a wildcard which is most frequently used when you are searching multiple documents.
Now if you click
on the title link, you will see that there are more details about it. Like here it is showing the type of the document reviewing, the table which is being shown on the lower side of the screen. The same information is here available. This all information is called metadata. So this metadata was given by the document controller when he was uploading, and now you can search the documents using the same metadata. So here it's showing the type of the document, the revision. So on the left side, if you see, you can access its detail, then revision. You can download even from that file, revision 0 file, revision 1 file, revision 2 file. So those you can see their status. You can even view them from here just by pressing on viewer. So this is the way you access all the documents. That a specific document with its multiple revisions, if it has, you can access them from here. Even the previous revisions you can see. Aconex has a unique feature that nothing can be deleted from here. Once it's uploaded, you can see it. It will. Now suppose I want to see all work inspections. So if I press there, if I press WIR, it will show me 527 results. Their status, I can see that what is their status. We select all those results if we want to download them. If we want to download all work inspections which we have submitted, all approved work inspections we want to download, we can just insert there and then search. It will show us all the approved work inspections. And then if we want to download them, we just have to select all and then from tools, zip download, and it will start and it will download all the work inspections. Similarly, if we just want to see the summary, we don't want to download the documents. Instead, we want to see the summary. We want to get the report that what is the status. So all those documents which we have selected here, it will generate a summary for them. Summary means the whole table which we are seeing here at the lower side of the screen. This whole table will be shown in the Excel. So from there you can filter, you can remove the things which you don't want, or you can keep the things which you need. So you can play with that table as per your need. So what you will have to do, you will have to press reports, and from there you will have to select export to Excel. So see here it's showing that the selected documents were 527 and it will export the report to Excel of the same number of documents. So from here, once you press it, it will generate a report. An Excel report will be available in the temporary files on Aconex. To access the temporary files, firstly, Aconex will send you an email on your Outlook, on your registered email address, with the link to download that report, that Excel report. Alternatively, you will get it in the temporary files option directly. Documents tab, there is temporary files option. You will be able to access the temporary files from here. You just can search, but it wasn't in the order, so now once we change the order, we can see that it is available. So this is the file which we generated right now. I just pressed the icon to download the file. It will be downloaded in my downloads, so from there I can access it. It's now opening. Here I can see that all the detail is available there, including document number, title, type, revision, discipline, everything. So you can just select whatever you need, and rest you can eliminate from the table, and you will be able to get. So from here you can get the summary of all the documents which you were looking for. So from here you will be able to access the details, the summary of the documents which you have got. Next tab, which is important for us, is mail. This mail option in Aconex is just like Outlook, but it is even better than that because it allows you to define the type of the emails. You can later on segregate them as per their type, and all the emails which are available here have a unique feature that you cannot delete any email from here, unlike Outlook. So it keeps the complete track of the documents or the details what you have. Whenever there is an update, Aconex generates emails for you, like if we have submitted or consultants have reviewed and replied back. So every information will be available here, so you can search them. It has multiple options there on the top. With them you can use, and if you want to send a new mail, we just have to press mail, and here you see today's emails, or what we have received, what we have sent today, and overdue or outstanding, RFIs received. So everything we can search from here. We can it can be used for multiple purposes, and if we see here, we can send general correspondence through mail. We can send letter, request for information. Under the mail you have multiple options available. You can use them for the mailing purposes. If you want to write a new email, you will just have to press new mail, and then from here you can use the type. It's compulsory here, it's mandatory. You will have to define the type of the mail so that later on in the future you can find it with that type. If you want to send letter, you will have to select letter from here. Similar, if you are needed to send request for information, you can select it from here. So whatever document you are sending, you will have to define here the type of that document. To and CC is same like Outlook. You can use to whom you are sending the email. From this drop down menu you can select what sort of response you are looking for. If you want date of response, then you will have to select respond date, and then you can define the date from the calendar given in front of it. Subject is compulsory, and then you can type your message. Then you can save it as draft. If you want to attach the documents, there are multiple options available. Under the attached tab, there is document. From this document option, you can attach the documents which have already been uploaded on Aconex. You just have to select it. Now I want to attach the document with it. Now I want to attach the document. I'm going to take the first one, the document. See, it is showing me the list, the same options, same screen which we had in the documents. From here, whatever document, RFI or whatever supporting document, if we want to send, we just have to select it, and it will be attached there. So this was the first option. Second, if you want to see the project mails, you can also use that one, or email you can select from there, and you can attach it also there for reference. And if there is something which hasn't been yet uploaded on Aconex, you just want to attach from your computer, you will have to press local file, and then from the local file, once you press it, you will drag and drop the document here. Now to search specific emails, we have different filters available here. Search, there are multiple options available, like mail number if we have, subject, date, from organization, recipients, status or type. So if you want to search only the letters, it will search all those letters, and you who sent it, and when was it sent, and you can check them, you can read them. Then the next important tab we would frequently be using is workflows. The basic idea is that for reviewing, the templates for workflows are created where we assign the resources for reviewing type of discipline, or we can define, or subdiscipline. Even if it is a big project, then based on the subdiscipline, you can define the teams that these people will be reviewing this type of document, and then we assign a number of days, that within how many days they have to review. While searching in workflows, we will be able to know that how long a particular type of document took to complete the process. So here on the top we have workflow status. From here, if you want to know only the status, press search and it will show you the result. Suppose you want to see the material approval request, so here the template will be of material approval, so you just have to select from there, and then you will search and find them, their status. And similarly, workflow number, this is the review reference which we saw in the documents option. So the same workflow number we can use here, and then workflow name, range, date range within specified dates. Now when I pressed the search button, it showed me that there are 4,700 results. So it means this is the complete number of workflows which we have generated so far on this project. So it includes every type of document which was sent for reviewing from the consultant, with the purpose of getting codes or comments. Code E means no action, code D means rejected, code C means review and resubmit, code B means accepted with comments, and code A means accepted without any comments. So search also, you can extend up to 100 on a single page. It is showing now step outcome. Step outcomes can also be searched on the top. If you want to search with them, you can see them here. Here you see it is showing overdue also. Some documents are overdue. In red color, it's showing that the number of days have lapsed, and now it's going overdue. So like this, all the detail you can find here. If you select from here, select all results, it will select all 4,700 results. So you can generate the report also here. This report will show you their reviewing status, the number of days it took to complete the process, and the status, the revisions. So it is showing a different sort of information. So you can generate reports from here. If you press the workflow name, you will find the number of days assigned for this type of document to be reviewed. It is showing that there are 8 days required to complete it. If it doesn't get completed within that time, it will start showing overdue in the step status. So now if we want to search the documents for their step status, like overdue, all those documents which are overdue, if we want to see, then we just have to select from that table overdue and press OK. And once we search it, it will show all those documents which are overdue. There are 31 documents which are overdue being shown here. This document was sent on 23rd of January, and it was supposed to be completed by 27th, but it is 28th today. That's why it is showing it's overdue. 1 day has gone over. So it was to be done within 3 days, and it took more than that. Here it's excluding Fridays and Saturdays, which are off, so it's showing only one day over, so one day is overdue. Now with the workflow we can search the documents. If we know the workflow, we will just have to put in the workflow number and it will and search it. It will show us the status of that document. It is still pending, it's current, and it is pending. It should be reviewed, otherwise it will like start showing overdue. So it needs this number of days. Similarly, if we want to search only code B approved with commits documents, so we'll have to select it in the step outcome and search, and we search, it will show us all those documents which are code B. Now another thing, we just enter the specific document number here, it will show us the result related to that document only. But if there are multiple documents which we are searching for a specific discipline or for a specific type of document, if we are searching here for drawing, SD means here shop drawing. On this project we are using the same coding, so SD shop drawing. If we are looking for only shop drawings, then we can search, only drawings will appear there. We'll have to use statics before and after it. It will give us the result of only shop drawings. We can put EL static, EL underscore EPW static, whether it is WIR, MIR, material submittal, drawings, everything, it will start showing us here. Because I have selected code B, so all those documents which are code B and their step is complete, they are completed with code B, all those electrical documents are being shown irrespective of their type. So everything, you can see that this is related to electrical discipline and power subdiscipline, so everything is being shown here. If we want to see electrical drawings, then SD and then underscore, because here we have subtypes of the drawings which can be LAY for layout, DES for details and sections, and single line diagrams, ISO, isometric, all these type of drawings. If we want to see irrespective of their type, we just want to see everything related to shop drawings of electrical and power. We will use static with the drawing type and discipline and subdiscipline. See how I arranged like this, that static means anything before this should be included. Then SD means that shop drawings, and then I have put static, it means any subtype of drawings, whatever is there. And then I have put electrical and power, EPW power, and then static, after this any number. So this combination I have used, and now if I will search, it will show me all the shop drawings related to electrical and power, but which are code B, which have been approved, their step status is completed. So once I search it, it will show me all those drawings with this status and with this discipline and subdiscipline. See, here it is showing the complete list. So there are 19 drawings related to this one. So this is another way of searching documents. With dates, if we want to see electrical shop drawings which were reviewed yesterday, there isn't any result. But if we search for the last 7 days, it will show us all those drawings which have been reviewed during the past 7 days, whether they were code C, B, whatever, but their step is complete, so we can see them here. So with these all search criterias, you can search your required document, you can know their status and other details. I hope this will simplify your work, and it will bring ease to your work. Thank you for your time, and see you.